Ferdinand and Ferdy Sumig Topacio, born November 9, 1965, is a Filipino lawyer, film producer, and jazz vocalist. He was a speechwriter to Vice President Salvador Laurel and had served as legal counsel to Manila Mayor Alfredo Limit, former Presidents Gloria, Arroyo, and Joseph Estrada, the families of the victims of the 2015 Mama Sapano clash, and Pogo businesswoman Cassandra Ong. Topacio was born on November 9, 1965, in Cavite City, the younger son of former Cavite Senior Provincial Board member and three-term city councilor attorney, Arturo M. Topacio Jr. of Imas and Cavite City, and of former City Treasury Administrative Officer Belen Sumig Topacio of Tanawan, Batangas. He was named after Philippine President Ferdinand Marcos, who was elected for his first term on the day Topacio was born. He graduated with honors with a Bachelor of Arts degree in English from San Sebastian College, Cavite in 1987. He then enrolled in Ateneo Law School, but he finished his Bachelor of Laws honorable mention at the University of the East in 1992. He passed the Philippine Bar examination the same year. Personal life. Topacio married Dinacurg Aguila of Batangas and Isabella on July 14, 1997. His wife is a judge of the Regional Trial Court in Manila, Branch 42. He was a member of the Iglesia Ni Cristo. He was born and raised Aglapayan before converting to Inc. Topacio had hung in his office wall a portrait of Adolf Hitler, whom he regards as a leader who improved Germany and one of the most misunderstood historical figures in the world while denying his role in the Holocaust. But he has clarified, however, in a New York Times interview that he does not idolize the late dictator. A man married to a woman, Topacio says he is an honorary gay when asked to clarify about his sexuality, and has told that he is okay of being assumed as backless since there is nothing wrong on being gay. However, he has used faggot as a slur against then Presidential Communications Development and Strategic Planning Office Undersecretary Manuel Quezon III in 2012 on his blog. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.